Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually use sellthetrend.com with Shopify. And obviously we know Shopify.com is one of the biggest global commerce platforms. And now one of the major things which a lot of people tend to don't understand is the fact that there's a lot of opportunities in today's time and period. And obviously once you understand exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it, you can harness all that power and become financially independent. And that is the reason why we're making all these amazing videos for you guys to head over there on our channel and check them out. But to start a dropshipping store successfully, you need to make sure that you can select the right product, and that is where sellthetrend.com comes in. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to use Shopify and connect it with sellthetrend.com. But before we do that, we need to understand what sellthetrend.com is all about and why this is one of the strongest platforms that could be used to enhance our dropshipping business and become and get the right products to sell on our stores. With the AI product discovery and complete store automation, the all-in-one platform for dropshipping success is sellthetrend.com. And obviously the reason why this is absolutely brilliant is the fact that you can get the dropshipping website that you always wanted in 5 minutes with their built-in dropshipping website creator shops. With shops, you don't need to design a website, craft product pages, or learn to manually maximize sales. Their one-click operation lets you create amazing conversion optimized shops in seconds, add winning products instantly, and display real customer reviews and so much more. And one of the best things I personally feel is their advanced algorithm searches e-commerce stores around the world, guys, giving you detailed information on 7.32 million products across 83 popular niches with suppliers, descriptions, videos, pricing, offers, and so much more. And obviously you can pick the winner every time, compare how well different products are sold in the past, and forecast the success of new products using the predictive AI technology. Their industry-leading Nexus research machine evaluates products based on 26 distinct data points to show you the winners before anyone else. And you can connect with quality suppliers and select the best price, highest quality USA, European, and international suppliers from the database of 1,193 suppliers. And you can view individual supplier ranking based on their product rating, their pricing, their shipping speed, and level of customer service, so you can keep your profit margins high and complete shipping times and cost displays for each product directly inside the app now. Now, one of the things that makes it very simple is its 4 steps. Now, the first step obviously is making sure that you find your niche and pick the winning products. And obviously with the predictive AI technology that gives you detailed information on which products are selling and which are predicted to grow in demand. The store intelligence tool shows you exactly what your competitors are up to, including their top selling and recently added products, so you're always a step ahead. And obviously with step number 2, where you can choose the best suppliers because their database has 1,193 different vendors. Each one is ranked by the quality of their product, their pricing, their communication, and their speed of delivery. And they will be easy to manage the store because with their automatically sync to your inventory and product information with each suppliers, so there's no need to manually manage product details. And furthermore, guys, you can always create high performing pages because their Facebook interest targeting tool lets you quickly locate your ideal customers, allowing you to target potential buyers according to their demographics and interests, and their video creators to produce market beating video ads within a few seconds, then promote them to an audience that is already ready to buy. And when you combine all those elements together, you can build customer satisfaction because new orders will instantly show up in the Sell the Trend and can be forwarded to the correct supplier with just one click, because Sell the Trend will instantly supply shipping and tracking information directly to their email. So watch your dropshipping business grow as happy customers become repeated customers. And that is the reason I always mention individuals to click the start the 7-day free trial and get sellthetrend.com. Now, when you combine all those elements together with Shopify, you really can build something that is truly unique and discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their businesses. And that is the reason I always recommend the easiest way to find the winning product is on sellthetrend.com. And by combining it with Shopify, you will take your business to the next level because you can bring your vision to life with their simple drag and drop store creator where you don't need any coding expertise at all, and keeping your fixed costs at as low as possible. You can select from customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers, and you can add more features and functionalities to your online store. You can sell online, in person, and around the globe with their marketing tools, their social integrations, and their sales channels. And more than that, guys, you can have flexible point of sale to power your retail store from the first touch to the full funnel. You can reach new leads, engage with customers, you have data that you can build on. You can even oversee your operations, fulfill every order, and manage your money where you make it. And all you need to do is click in the description below on the link and sign up to Shopify, or click to start the free trial. And once you sign in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. On the left hand side, you're going to have your home, your orders, your product, your customers, your analytics, your marketing, your discount, and your online store. Now, the analytics is very important, guys, because it gives you a complete breakdown of what you need to do. Make sure that you go through these setups on Shopify, finding the right products to sell by connecting it to sellthetrend.com and adding brand assets, customizing your theme, adding pages to your store, organizing your store navigation, and adding a custom domain and setting up the Shopify payments. Now, one of the things that I absolutely love about Shopify is that they have one of the best sports that is available. And obviously you can find the documentation, the tutorials on how to use Shopify with their help center. You can even get the step-by-step guidance on how to best set up your business online with Shopify Learn. You can learn how to run a successful business with the video courses taught by industry experts and business owners, with a network that you can discover the best practices with their best business owners and find the answers to your questions and review the Shopify resources. It's very simple and straightforward, guys. By combining the power of Sell the Trend with Shopify, you can really take matters to the next level and get the actual competitive advantage that you always wanted, and help you break away from the 9-to-5 and get the financial freedom that you always dreamed about. Because today we are living in the internet age. We're living in the digital era, guys, and we need to harness all these abilities that we have in our fingertips to ensure that we can scale our business and break away from the 9-to-5 and live a life that was financially free with multiple passive incomes. And you can do all of that with Shopify and sellthetrend.com. Now, if you got any questions, guys, or you need any clarifications, you can always ask me in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, to guide you, and to assist you. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, on your Instagram, on your TikTok, so more people can find out how to harness the power of sellthetrend.com with Shopify and become independent dropshippers and successful businessmen in the digital age. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.